Now let us look at an example for blanket ordering model. Now you know what is a blanket ordering model. That is one basic model for just-in-time models. Interesting phenomena. We can have an optimal inventory model even when we are incorporating the just-in-time scenario into it. And still, we know that there would be a trade-off between your carrying cost and your transportation cost. That's always there. So you need to find a balancing point जिस पर आपकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट और कैरिंग कॉस्ट एक मिनिमम लेवल पे आ जाएगी, दोनों एक बैलेंस में होंगी, तो वहां पर आपके पास ब्लैंकेट ऑर्डरिंग का n स्टार मौजूद था. लेट मी टेक एन एग्जांपल दैट विल एक्चुअली clarify the blanket model. JIT Corporation buys one of the key components of its final product from Get Corporation, let's say. The component has an annual demand of 9,000 units. So D is there, that is 9,000 units. The cost of placing an order is $40. The unit purchase price, the unit transportation cost, and transportation cost per delivery are $5, 50 cents, and $10 respectively. So purchase price is actually $5. Unit transportation cost per unit transportation cost is 50 cents. And transportation cost per delivery is $10. Order quantity has been specified by the management as 1,000 units because in blanket model, we are not determining the queue. So queue, आप assume करें कि you have the queue with you and management says that it is 1,000 units. Determine the optimal number of deliveries per order assuming a holding cost of $2 per unit. We need to determine N star, the optimal number of deliveries per order. So how would we do it? There are two things here. मुझे per order भी find करनी है. That is small n. And I have to find big N as well. पूरे एक साल की deliveries भी total आपके पास कितनी बनेंगी? So how can I do it? First, I will find N star. So N star would be, what was the formula? That was under root of DH over 2N. So we have an holding cost of $2 per unit. If it was not given, then we should have been given the interest rate plus the unit cost plus the transportation cost per unit. ये सारी चीजें होती तो हम वैसे भी find कर सकते थे age को. You know that now. So we have 30 deliveries per year. And then what about per order deliveries? एक order के लिए आपको कितनी deliveries चाहिए? That would be done by QN star. First of all, इसका मतलब है मुझे पहले n स्टार फाइंड करना पड़ेगा और उस n स्टार को q ओवर d से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा जो कि n के लिए एक फार्मूला है. सो आई वुड हैव 3.3 डिलीवरीज पर ऑर्डर, यानी आई वांट टू हैव अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3 डिलीवरीज पर ऑर्डर. 3.3 पॉसिबल नहीं है, ये तो थ्योरेटिकली पॉसिबल है बट रियलिस्टिकली इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू हैव 3.3 डिलीवरीज. सो इट वुड बी 3 डिलीवरीज अप्रोक्सीमेटली पर ऑर्डर. सो it would actually suffice the management decision. 3 deliveries per order, 30 deliveries per year means you would have a higher transportation cost, but it would be in a balance with your carrying cost. So students, from this example, you can now actually grasp the concept of blanket ordering model. It's not about ordering the quantity. It's all about managing your deliveries just in time. Thank you.